Hey guys, it's Drew here. This is a Maytag Centenial washer, and didn't have any hot water, so we replaced the water inlet valve. Had to take the entire top off here. This video is about this. This was all rusted, and on your washer it probably could be rusted too. But it was a pain in the butt to take a spatula and get it in there. But just so you know, most washer dryers are like this. To get the control panel off, you have to get a hinge and push in there, and it is really tough to do, especially if it's rusted like that. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like. And every one is different. Every Centennial dryer, every washer dryer is a little bit different. So just going to show you this on panel.on. But in that particular model, this is the MWC5 right there, MVW. All right, guys. I hope this helps you out if you're trying to get that hinge out of there. It's a real pain in the butt. Have a good one, guys. It's Drew. Subscribe.